Good evening, viewers. My name is Nogwazi Dlamini, and welcome to another edition of Brains on the Go. Wow, I cannot believe we have 7 students remaining. It seems just like yesterday that we started with 16 young, amazing brains. 16 young, amazing brains. And when I say amazing, I mean amazing. Now, last week saw the elimination of Sihle Ndwandwe from Mangweni High School. It's never a nice thing to see someone leave. Now, Macmillan is celebrating 40 years of existence in the kingdom of Eswatini. We would love to give kudos to them. What does this episode have in store for us? Who is going to be leaving us? What questions are going to be asked? Over to you, Mrs. Spia.
Good evening, viewers of Eswatini TV. I'm coming with episode 11 of Brains on the Go. I'm Kelly Spia, your host. Part 1, round 1. Is a bit different. I'm going to ask you one question, all of you. You will write the answer on the pieces of paper before you, and somebody, immediately you finish writing the answer, put your paper upside down. Somebody will come and read your answer. Please don't look at your neighbor's answer, okay? The question is, if you see car lights on from almost all the cars that drive past you, what do you think of? What is the reason? What is usually the reason for the car lights to be on during the day? State the reason in writing. Just one reason. If you know, even if you know 2 reasons, just write one of those 2. May I kindly ask one of my judges to go and read their answers?
I think there is too much fog outside.
Correct.
When there is danger from behind or an accident.
Correct.
Because of the engine.
Sorry, my dear, it's wrong.
It can be that they are carrying a dead body from the mortuary, I think.
Correct.
There is a problem on the road. Either it is a car or something.
Correct.
Thick mist or clouds.
Correct.
So that they will see the way when kunetinkhungu.
Correct. Okay. My dear contestants, I hope you have now woken up a bit because you've used your hands. You haven't used them for a long time. Is it fine now? Round 2. Round 2 is about quotes, expressions that you can only hear about in Swaziland and that you can only associate them with something that is happening in Swaziland at a particular time or at some particular event. Okay. Who's going to start us off? Cesar Sizwe again. Yours is. What do you associate this expression with? The expression is umyalo etikhulwini.
Ngikuxwayisa kakhulu kusitiyale tintombi ngebhinge isikhathi semhlanga nathi emhlangeni.
Correct. Sibusiso? No, isemlotheni.
Nakudlala ibhola.
Correct. Thandekile, yours is Mbabane.
Mabaholela.
Correct. Menzi, yours is Sicela bomake benthaba.
I think it's a song thing.
Correct. Sanelisiwe? The Bomage Bantaba are the prayer women, okay? Sometimes you can say during their funeral, when you're asking them to go and get some stones to put on top of the grave, okay? So Nelsiwe, yours is? You seem to be worried about this one.
No.
You live in Swaziland, don't stress, okay? Yours is? Malangeni lamahle nathi lethi ngumthamo.
Naba shotinzaba wireless.
Correct. Sisekelo, yours is? Khula Ntanzane yelive.
Mabakhutsata bamfana basema orphanage.
Sorry, my dear. It's an expression in one of the praise songs for King Mswati III. Nelile, yours is Kushiswa Lukhuni.
I think suke kube nemlilo.
Sorry, my dear. It's during the Inkwala ceremony. Sibusiso, are you ready?
Yes.
Siswati. No, let me not give you Siswati questions. It's abbreviations that I think you should know about. Yours is, what does CID mean?
Crime. Department.
Sorry, my dear, it's detective at the end. But I'm not sure if we should give it to him for the effort. They say we should give it to you. Tandegile, yours is BFF. It's informal.
Best friend forever.
Correct. Menzi, yours is PRO. She's the PRO for the Eswatini Electricity Company.
Prime Region Officer.
Sorry, my dear, it's Public Relations Officer. Sanel Siwe, yours is CEO. You remember the other time I asked you the question about the CEO for Macmillan. We said her name is Mrs. Simelane.
Company.
Sorry, my dear. Chief Executive Officer. Sisegelo, yours is RA. I need to go to the RA offices in Babane.
Regional Administrator.
Correct. Nelile, yours is SUB. I usually hear people saying, Nengtanza Singwasaga SUB.
Swazi United Baker.
Correct. Sisa Sizwe, yours is SIM for the SIM card.
I think it's System Identity Card.
It's M at the end.
Oh,
System identity.
Memory.
I'll give it to you for identity. Otherwise, it is subscriber identity module. I know it was rather difficult. Sibusiso, are you ready for another set of questions?
No.
Not yet.
Yes.
Okay, can we take a break? At least maybe after the break you'll be fine.
Yes.
Viewers, let's take a break. Sibusiso doesn't like it anymore.
Busiseka ngel-hour lonke lemculo wetenkolo. Sikulethela abahlabeleli balapha eSwatini kuphela, labasakhula nabomkantshubomvu. Ingani konke kunokujumisa uNkulunkulu nokuvuselela umuntu wangaphakathi umphefumulo wakho. Bukela iWe Praise lapha eSwatini TV. We praise. To God be the glory.
Viewers, we are now on part 2 of episode 11, and I'm sure my contestants are ready. Sibusiso, you've picked up a bit, I think.
Yes.
Great. There are some Siswati words which, when you say out, they sound a bit rude. So as a result, Swazis decided to have other words that are going to show some kind of respect. You understand that? I'll give you an example. For instance, someone might say, "Utsagiwe babe." But because you don't want to say "Utsagiwe babe," you will say "Udlile." You understand that? Yours is ufile. Ufile bhuti wami.
Ushonile.
Correct. Thandekile, yours is kuna bhuti wami lomncane lohlanyako. Kuhlanya.
Unenkinga engqondweni.
Unenkinga engqondweni. Okay, they say I should give it to you. Menzi, yours is uphi umfati wakho? Umfati wakho.
Uphi mawakakho?
Correct. Sanelsiwe, how do you normally feel when somebody says these words? The words that you regard as rude, do you normally say them?
No.
Yourself? How do you normally feel when somebody just says, "Ufile babu wami"?
I feel like he or she has disrespected my late father.
You're right, but all the same, this is Siswati. Yours is bhuti wami lomncane uqhwalile, kuqhwala.
Kodwa wami lomncane ukhubatekile.
Correct. Sisekelo, yours is someone is asking, uphi sisi wakho lomncane? Oh, wemitha loyo, kwemitha.
Bekhulelwe.
Correct. Nelile, your mother says something that is truly a lie, and it's difficult for you to say, uqamba emanga ke make, uqamba emanga.
Uyaphosisa.
Correct. Sisa Sizwe, yours is bhuti wami lomncane nakalele ebusuku uyatichamela. Uyatichamela.
Uyaphunyukela.
Correct. Next round. You'll just tell me what the thing is, what you understand by it. Okay, it's in English. She has a bundle of joy. A bundle of joy.
In English,
Yes, you just explain it in English what it means, a bundle of joy.
she is very happy.
Sorry, my dear, she has a newborn baby. Menzi, he is a man of his words. A man of his words.
He always lives up to his promises.
Correct. Sanelsiwe, don't do that to a man of the cloth. A man of the cloth.
Don't do that to a man of that man.
Sorry, it's a church leader or a priest. Sisegelo, he was chosen as the man of the match, a man of the match.
A person with outstanding performance.
In what?
In football.
Correct. Nelile, my father, in his time, was a man about town. A man about town.
I think a man about town.
Yes, my dear.
I think it means he used to have a very good job.
Sorry, my dear. It means you'd always see him wearing fashionable clothes in town. Sisa Sizwe, yours is? My teacher is a man of integrity. A man of integrity.
She is respected and she always do what is right.
Correct. Sbosiso, yours is? My English teacher is a trendsetter when it comes to fashion.
He wears clothes that are.
Please say it aloud.
He wears clothes that are the latest fashion.
He wears clothes that are the latest when it comes to fashion. They say I should give it to you. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear contestants, we have come to the end of this episode. We'll take a break for now. After this, I'll come back with the results, okay?
Busiseka ngel-hour lonke lemculo wetenkolo. Sikulethela abahlabeleli balapha eSwatini kuphela, labasakhula nabomkantshubovu. Ingani konke kunokujumisa uNkulunkulu nokuvuselela umuntu wangaphakathi nomphefumulo wakho. Bukela iWe Praise lapha eSwatini TV. We praise. To God be the glory.
Viewers, I'm back with the results this time around. And once again, I'm sad to announce tonight that we have had a tie again. The tie, the people who are part of the tie are Tandegile, Nelile, and Sanelsiwe. I don't know what has happened to you girls, but in any case, I hope you are going to pick up. Tandegile, are you fine with it?
Yes.
I'm going to give you questions in English, okay? Please have your pens and paper ready. It's easy, very easy. I'm going to ask you to give me two spellings of the same word that I'm going to pronounce. They have the same pronunciation, but different spellings. Okay. Yes. Yours is court.
C-O-A-T and C-O-U-R-T.
Please start afresh.
C-O-A-T and C-O-U-R-T.
The first one is Wrong. The second one is correct. Please listen to me when I'm pronouncing the word. I said court. I did not say coat. The first court is C-A-U-G-H-T. The second one is C-O-U-R-T. Sorry, my dear. Nelile, yours is? Nelile, are you ready? Yours is bear. Bear.
Bear.
Two spellings.
Bear.
Yes, my dear.
We have B-A-R-E. B-E-A-R.
Correct. Sanelsi, where yours is? Coat. Coat. Listen to my pronunciation. Coat.
C A
Yes.
U G
Yes.
H T.
Yes. The next one?
C
Yes.
A
Yes.
U
Yes.
T
Yes.
E.
Okay, the first one is pronounced coat. I said coat. The second one does not exist in the English dictionary. Sorry, my dear. It's now a battle between Sanelsiwe. Nelile, you're off the hook. Praise your God. It's now a battle between Sanelsiwe and Tandegile. Take some deep breath. I'm just about to give you more words. Are you ready?
Yes.
The words are, you have both been saved by the judges.